Just a quick question. I couldn't find much information online. So the whole, the liners, not the liners, I guess the spacers and kind of, yeah, liners. They're aluminum on the Tinker, as well as like this Evo 10. You can see how silvery they are. I was looking at my Rambler, and it looked a little nickel silver to me, which is pretty cool. I didn't know that they were made with nickel silver. Not only that, but my 2014 special edition Swiss Clockwork is also made with nickel silver. I mean, you can see the obvious and silver. Aluminum. Yeah, I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. So that's why they're special editions or limited editions. Swiss Clockwork 2014. That makes them a little bit more cool for me. How about you?